Hello guys, welcome back. This is KHS for After Effects tutorial channel. Now working on highlight motion graphics project. How to create a title animation in After Effects by particular and another plugins. Let's start. Create a new composition right here. Highlight. Select the time, 5 seconds, select HD, press OK, then create a new solid right here, particles, OK, and go to effects, select the trap code particular, and then play. First change the emitter of particle. Go to emitter, select the box, and go to emitter size, select the XYZ individual. Change the Y emitter is 0, change to 0, and change the emitter size X 2000, and move the particles fine to up. So now go to physics, change the gravity down, little bit up, play, good. And now change the velocity 0, 0, 0, 0. Play now, looking good. Change the particle seconds 15, and go to particles, change the size, and go to aux system, select continuously, and change the particle seconds 25. So change more 30, and change the life seconds 1.2. So now change the life random 30, and go to particles, change the life random 30. So go to Illustrator, there is the diamonds design styles. Which one you want to create? I think select this first one, drop here, scale up the size, and what is the next? Select this one or this one, scale up, looking good. Select both and go to object, click for export multiple asset, PNG, export to desktop, create a new folder, double click, select folder, go to After Effects, project, create a new composition right here, diamonds, and change the size 200 or 100 pixel. 0, 1 frame. Press OK. Double click. Go to new folder 2. Select both. Import. So select asset 4. Press S. Scale down the size and go back to highlight. Select the diamonds. Drop here. Go to particles. And go to particles, change the sphere sprite, and now go to texture, select the diamonds, and change the size 50, more 90, more 130. Looking good. And now go to aux system continuously, select the diamonds, duplicate, double click, select asset 4 and select the asset 3, press Alt, replace this one. Go to highlights and drop this one here, select the particles and go to continuously. Where is the type? Select sprite, texture, select diamonds 2, looking good. Or you can select From the particle on plugins, choose sprite. Select any different particle. From here, select this one. Looking good. Double click. Change the size. Good. And now decrease the particle seconds. Good. And now change the size a little bit down. Random size. So 20. Okay, play. Looking good, but change the gravity and the life seconds. 1 second, and change the life second off continuously. Zero point 4 or 5. And go to gravity. Move the gravity down like this. Press Alt and go to life seconds 1.2. $200. Play now. Okay, go to continuously change the life second here 0.8 and go back life second here 1.5. Good. And now change more. 1.3 is enough. Gravity. So there is the life second 1 seconds. Go back here, change 1.6. 1.6, press Alt or 1.4, no, 140. Play. Looking good. And need more setting. Alt. Okay, drop another effect, glow effect on particles. Double click, more glow effect. Good. And change the size of particle. Press Alt. Good. And down the size of continuously 12, 13. Good. And now right click, create another new solid. Right here, the light, press enter, go to effects and go to stylize, no light factory. Change any different color. Which one is looking good? Select this one and move it here. Change the mode add. And create a new camera. select the lens 28, press OK, and go to particles, change the particle second rate 25, need more particles, and create the title, turn on the title action save area right here. Okay, just After Effects, move to center, select different little bit bright yellow golden color and drop a glow effect here, drop another one, change the color a little bit darker, double click little bit, yeah, press OK, and go to here, select just After Effects and drop another effect, Bevel Alpha, double click, change the light intensity and select the thickness, press S. Okay, now select the light, move it up, select the effect, move here and press Ctrl. Okay, press T for opacity, stopwatch, go to 1 second and press S from start, scale up 1 second. The opacity must be 0. Sorry, I need to animate the title. Press T, change the opacity down and move it down a particle. Press S, stopwatch, turn off this one and go to second one, press T and go to 2 seconds, press Ctrl, little bit animate, and now turn off this one, press U, there is the scale keyframe, move the end scale keyframe to after 2 seconds 20 frame, and now create another title, duplicate this one, move here, so select, double click, just After Effects, Presence, Highlights, select press U, where is the scale? There is the scale, select and move here. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to create motion graphics of highlight. And now render your project, see the result of your project. Fit, delete empty text, and render.